Okay, where's filters? Filters. What does this thing want me to do? Press effect filters plus, and then it wants me to choose image mask blend. This is the hardest thing I've ever done. On the filters, I've never had a harder challenge in all my days. No, just kidding. Building Tutorial Island was the hardest challenge I've ever faced. All right, how's that, guys? Is that perfect? Am I done? Am I done? All right, wish me luck. Let's hope this works. I mean, it's not bad. How do I get myself in it? Hmm. Like that, like changing that value, I don't know what to do. I literally don't know what to do. How do I push the image down? Well, that ain't it. How do I push the image down? For the record, is the circle actually like if I should I spend my time on this or is it not worth it? Bro, I ain't watching a YouTube video. This is America. Transform. Did I fix it? No. We're staying with the scuffed. I'm not really looking to spend too much time. Like all we need is an editor and the app, right? I feel like there was a lot of fluff on the other one. C programmer, what's up? My mustache can answer you. Okay, that was fun, guys. For the record, I wouldn't have used the word scuffed myself, but what do I know? Perfect. There you guys go. All right, guys. Let's get to writing software. Let's get to writing software. Let's get to writing software. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. I don't know what's happening here, guys. That was a fun exercise in what not to do. That was a fun exercise in what not to do. How about I was like, damn, this setup's pretty sleek. And Lake he goes, are you keeping this scuffed setup? Dude, that's the dimensions of my freaking monitor. What do you want me to do? Someone tell me what to do. I'm serious. Look at this thing. It's 1496 by 967. What the shit is that? What even is that? So, what the crap is this? No, the egg's toast. The egg's toast. So I'm getting trash talked. You should see the OBS settings when I try to set up the freaking screen, dude. Look at the aspect ratio. Look at my aspect ratio. My aspect ratio is 1496 to 967. You know what I mean? Let me ask you this. Are you guys is your video shrunk when you pull up my stream, or does it look normal? The egg's gone. The egg's gone. The egg is not. I am not going egg. I am not going egg. That is one thing I can say for certain. I am not going egg. The egg is gone. It is. Oh, damn. It is. There are the black bars. Damn. How do I get those black bars back? Productivity. Thank you, my friend, for the support there. Akira, thank you for your support. I am not doing the freaking egg. I see you switch to Mac OS. Get virtual display. I tried so many things on streaming Mac, and this is, well, that's fantastic feedback, dude. Um, Virtual Display Pro. Let's take a look. Let's see what that is. Display Pro. Bro, it's got 5 ratings. Dude, Embedder's got more rating than this. Oh, you guys want to see something? How about I got my app on my computer? Let's go. Let's go. App on the computer. He goes, that's not the app. So say, bro, this thing's got dude, Embedder's dude. Let's see how many freaking votes Embedder's got. It doesn't tell you. It doesn't tell you. How tragic. Yeah, you got to restart the stream. Yeah. It must be because I'm using the last scon's downscale filter, I imagine. Thank you for your donations, Akira. That's how we're going to pay off this Mac. That's how we're going to pay off this Mac. Well, I can't change those settings while I'm streaming, so let's just drop it. Let's just drop it and admit the DevDad's a Mac noob. I don't want to be a Mac noob. the the egg is gone. The egg is gone. That's all I can say. Oh God. What the hell just happened? Akira, thank you, my friend. Now we're absolutely paying up. Dude, I want you to know that you just gave somebody named Toasty Boner. You just gave somebody named Toasty Boner bits, a gifted sub. You just gift subbed Toasty Boner. I just want you to know that. I just want you to know that. In case you were wondering if Toasty Boner's covered, he is. He's good. All right, what the hell happened? Us. Oh. I can't believe I got the scuffed. I can't believe I got the scuffed. I can't believe I got the scuffed freaking bars on the side of my app. How did that even happen? Delete from. How do I fix it, Lieutenant? We couldn't figure out the circle camera. Are you sure we're smart enough to figure out that? It would be pretty funny. Akira, I will say this. It would be pretty funny if that was like a redeem. Imagine if that was a redeem. The egg. Like 10,000 points in 10 minutes of an egg. Productivity, dude. Thank you for your support, dude. If this is the same people who create better snap util, then I'm instantly purchasing it. If it's the same person, then I'm instantly purchasing it. Now, I don't know why I need this. Serious question. Serious question. Why can't I just like share my screen? Why do I need to use some sort of tool? Now there's 17,000 stars. There's 17,000 stars. But why do I need to use a tool? This will mess up your Mac display. I'm going to put it on the back burner because you guys are scaring me now. I've never seen such an adamant don't do this before. Here we go. We're going to take some random arbitrary screenshots. Yeah, Kira, I want you to know that's usually how those polls go. Nobody votes and they're always 50-50. Did I stream yesterday? No, I didn't. I had somebody sleeping in my office. Believe me, I was up at 4 and ready to. I did not overserve myself. Wigsy, I can vouch for better display. It unlocks a bunch of settings that Mac OS hides to be more user friendly. That seems pretty interesting. Lieutenant's over there having a heart attack. That someone even dared link better display. Oh, that's a good screenshot. That's a good screenshot. This dude's getting 100 screenshots. Okay. That dude's getting 100 screenshots. Now, here's the question, guys. If I go to photos on my Mac here, I'm going to put it up here so you guys can't see my photos. Are those screenshots sitting there? If they're sitting there, then I'm a melted man. Then I'm a melted man if those photos are sitting there. I've never seen people have such heart attacks. Does anybody stream with Mac? Can you put a one in the chat if you're a streamer and you use a Mac? And let me ask you this, productivity. When you did it, did you go to these settings and they were these absolutely bonkers aspect ratios? I want to stream in 1440 like a boss. Okay, I'm trying to get these photos. Guys, thanks for that hype train, by the way. Thanks for that hype train. How do I get these photos? Man, I thought Mac was better than this, guys. I thought I was gonna see the photos show up in my library. I am seeing some good photos, but not the ones I just took. Oh yeah, I'll airdrop them. No, I don't know what's in here, so you guys close your eyes. They're not here. Where'd they go? I just took them. That was your boy on the 4th, by the way. Oh, everything went sideways. I promise you, I don't have anything bad in the least bit on this phone for photos. Never have, never will. But I will tell you this much. I have a lot of really embarrassing selfies, and that is what I'm hiding from you guys. Not even kidding. I just don't need my selfies shared with the world. These are my selfies that I use where I see fit. Not you guys. Airdrop. Airdrop. I cannot believe it took me this long to get a Mac. Do you guys see the Mac just absolutely cooking? Do you guys see the Mac just absolutely cooking? Why didn't you guys tell me to get a Mac sooner? When I was computer searching, why did nobody say you should get a Mac? I feel like you guys failed me. I feel like nobody told me. I had to discover. I had to come up with the decision and discovery by myself, and that was tough. There were haters. There were haters. Okay, I'm gonna send this dude these screenshots. Thank God, guys. Now let's hope I didn't actually include a selfie in one of those. Let me know if you need me to get a better one. Boom, sent. From the world's greatest computer. From the world's greatest computer. A space black MacBook Pro. Lots of specs. Nobody knows how to get the aspect ratios to work. Nobody has any idea how to get the best aspect ratios. Nobody solved that on the Mac yet. But what I can tell you is this. Look at this thing just sitting so idle. Guys, my computer is sitting so idle, it's almost fallen asleep. I'm streaming, I'm casting my phone, I've got 2 apps running, development apps running. I got Spotify, I got OBS, I got my browser with 8, 10 tabs open. This thing should be crawling, and it's so idle, it's almost fallen asleep. It's almost fallen asleep. Oh, and I'm like indexing photos for some reason. In fact, I don't want it to do that. This is an absolute banger, by the way. Absolute banger. I don't know what that means, Wigsy, but I saw it was more than the previous model, and I was like, well, if we're gonna spend our last dollar, I might as well get the 40 core GPU. Again, I have no idea what that means. What happens if you click the resolution drop down in OBS? From where? Oh, I can't do it while I'm streaming. I can't do it while I'm streaming, but I can tell. I already can tell you what's in there. There's like 1,000 options of the most ridiculous aspect ratios you've ever seen. The aspect ratios are so bonkers. Your Covox is crashing every time you try to play. What's your Covox? Anyway, guys, we do need to actually get this app to work. So hold on. First of all, let's do this. How do I save this thing? Capital W, I'm pretty... Or no, is it leader W? It's leader W. Leader W. Interesting. It's leader capital W. Save as production prod read prod. I'll call it prod right. Cool. Cool. There's prod right for you. That way I don't lose this crap. Did that dude just come in here and ask me why his aim trainer is breaking? Bro. Devin. Devin, you think I needed an aim trainer, dude? Bro, bro, I never touched an aim trainer. Dude, Devin, my aim trainer was the opponent's forehead. If I needed to practice training my aim, I would click on the other person's forehead and shoot him. That's how you don't need Kovas, dude. Go play some multiplayer games, bro. It's a sign, dude. It's a sign. You're training the wrong way. Go shoot some people. Select start. Oh, this is going to suck. That's why I had to save this. Where user ID equals 1004. Are we really about to not release this software today? Planned, habit, join, select certain plan where planned day ID in select ID from planned habit. Guys, I'm still paranoid about the text size. I need a poll. I need a poll. I mean, not that it matters. My resolution's all botched, so it doesn't matter either way. The egg's gone. The egg's gone. The egg didn't make the cut. Select ID from planned habit where user ID equals 1004. Oh, a planned day. Planned task. Scheduled habit. Scheduled habit. I'm a little rusty, guys. I'm still what? Huh? Planned task. Planned task. Planned task. Boom. Lakey, we're literally just trying to release this. We're just trying to release the tutorial. All right. Did people vote on my text size? Everyone says it's good. Wow. Because if that's good, I can see that that's great. If that text size is okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to get my account reset so I can run through the tutorial again. That's why we're in the DB. So then I do this. Yoink, yoink. Delete from plan task. Okay. And then I also need select star. Select star from scheduled habit. Delete from delete from scheduled habit where user ID equals 1004. That's it, guys. That's the ball game. That will reset this account. And we just reset it. Let's hope it works. Okay, here we go. Pockets. We're going to name this the Pockets tutorial. Look at my username is Fake Pockets. You're so involved you have no idea. So I ran into a bug the other day, and that's what I'm about to debug right now. Of course, I'm not going to be able to reproduce it. Of course. It could have been a newbie Android thing. I should probably get my Android fired up. So I came in like this, and I was like, okay, I'm going to go pick a random icon, push up dude, break app, please. Got it. Got it. Got it. Let's go create. Damn it. I swear there's a bug in here. I just don't know where. There is definitely a bug with setting day of the week, but I didn't think that's what caused that problem. But we're about to try it. You might be, I mean, Akira's right more than he's not, so let's see. Oh, this is such a guys. Okay. It was a $4,000 solution to stop having to restart my mobile device every 4 to 8 minutes. Worth it? I'm having a blast. I'm having a blast. What's today? We'll say that's Sunday. Create. Oh my god, Akira was right again. Akira was right again. I'll never know. I'll never know. I'll never know. Oh, no way. Your MacBook Pro just broke a month after AppleCare Plus expired, dude. And then I got my iPad. I don't know what to do with it, but I got one. I bought an iPad to get screenshots. And now I have a Mac that can just emulate an iPad and get screenshots. iPad Pro, 12.9 inch. I've got the Apple Pen. Again, don't know why. But I got it. All right, well, here we are. We're in Akira, can you even imagine what this bug is? I sure can't. I actually have no idea what it is. Swoko, tell me the bug. Let's go find it. What's going on the server? Wait a minute. Why is my server getting no love? Are we hitting some other? Bruh. I think we're hitting the server on the... Guys, I'm telling you, I keep getting waves of like euphoric feelings because I'm very materialistic and I got the dopest computer there is. I'm just so happy that all my problems are gone. I'm just so happy. I had to compensate for so many issues for not having a Mac, and they're just simply gone now. They're just simply gone. Damn right it is. Yeah, you're already right, Akira. You're already right. Notice I'm not having to restart my device every 4 minutes. You bought an Apple Pencil but don't own an iPad? Well, dude, it doesn't work on like paper. My buddy had an M1 that blew up right after Apple Care expired, and he had to pay $800 to get it fixed. Also, I owned a Intel. No, I didn't own it. It was my work computer, and that one blew up. So yeah, hell yeah, I bought a $400 Apple Care for this thing. 10% of the damn cost of the computer. Okay, we need to. I know what to do. 192. Guys, look at this compensation right here. Can I show you guys this compensation? Look at this. I used to have to hard code IP addresses because of WSL. If I never even hear the 3 letters WSL next to each other ever again, I'll be absolutely a thrilled man. I used to have to hard code IP addresses. I'm so just grateful that I defeated it. I'm just so happy. You know how sometimes you buy something that you probably shouldn't and you feel sick afterwards? Well, I bought something I probably shouldn't, and God, do I feel good. God, do I feel good. Oh, no, bro, Lieutenant, I wasn't using Windows. You're correct. I could have used Linux, but again, I will become a woodworker before Linux is my primary operating system. I will become a woodworker before Linux is my primary operating system. Just saying. Just saying. What happened? Did we crash? It can't find localhost. It doesn't know what localhost is, guys. Come on, guys. It doesn't know what localhost is. Yeah, the app only works in the internet. It's a social app, baby. It's a social app, baby. You need the internet to get social. Okay, we're not hitting the server still. Do I need to start forwarding ports to my Mac, guys? Do I need to start forwarding ports to my Mac? Psych. I would never do that. Oh no, I don't have lazy get. How do I get lazy get? I can't believe the song's called Hash Pipe. Did Razarshi cue this song up? Did Razarshi cue this song up, guys? I feel like Razarshi's on the hash pipe. Am I right, Razarshi? Please hit the server. 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 Why am I not hitting the server? Guys, why am I not hitting the server? Razarshi 127.0.0.1. Razarshi, why am I not hitting the server? Why am I not hitting the API, the local server, guys? Ain't that the IP address? It literally says it's running at localhost. A strange. Don't talk to me that way. Don't tell me the correct truths. You're almost certainly right, by the way. So thank you. What? Here we go. 192.168.5.11. Don't Razarshi, don't steal my IP address. Don't steal my IP address, Razarshi. And start sending me spam. One nine two dot 168.5.11. Start client. Classic. Source. Start client. Reload. We're hitting it. Guys, can we get a plus? Guys, can we get a 10x in the chat for productivity? Can we please get a 10x in the chat for productivity? Dominic, let's go. Welcome. All right, here we go. I don't know what this song is. I just don't. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. So there's two comments here, guys. One, this son of a gun shouldn't even be able to set their day of the week. Two, let's try setting specific time of day. Does that work? Okay. We made further progress. Update any of the details below. You have to run going to a virtual reality. Dude, that's so sick. Productivity, thanks for coming in. Thanks for all your feedback. And I'm going to check out that app you sent me, by the way. Take care. Light up. Are you insisting I need to go get a haircut? Is that a subtweet to go get my haircut? That's harsh, dude. That's harsh. I'm just kidding. Okay, no, I didn't though. My wife gives me my haircuts though. It's so great that I don't have to pay for them. But it also means I only get them like every month. Okay, tutorial, create, edit. Okay, so what's happening here? Well, I wonder if the server even got hit. Okay, here we go. Restart. You know what we don't have is the QR code. I can't tell people to scan the QR code anymore. Guys, how do I get the QR code? Let's see if I can go find it. I have an idea. Here, I gotta switch over. I gotta literally change my monitor to my PC for a second. I can go find this thing. Properties. Where do you live? Downloads. Hell yeah. Shadowcat 10. Shadowcat 10. It's that easy. Guys, this is in downloads. Shadowcat 10. Oh god, I clicked the wrong button. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Downloads Shadowcat 10. Okay. Light up. You love your work. Thanks, dude. Appreciate you being here, my friend. Just wondering how you plan to sell this app and make money. We have premium features available today. Available today to purchase. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh, crap. Mount. See. Users. Brent, do I have downloads, please? Yes. Perfect. LS. Grep. Shadow. Perfect. So we need this. I have no idea how to do this. I have no idea how to do this. PWD. I know what to do. Copy. Shadowcat. $10. Squiggly. QR dot PNG. Okay. Then from here, all I have to do is SCP squiggly QR dot PNG here. Thank you. Whoa, 26 premium users thanks to Late Key. Let's go, Late Key. Let's go, Late Key. Guys, can I please get a let's go, Late Key? Can we start a Let's Go Late Key chant for his contributions to the app? Thank you, Captain. Thank you, Captain. Dominic, let's go. Light up, let's go. All right. Great participation. Great participation. That's the type of people we need in this world. Okay, so I'm gonna do I'm gonna put this in the DevDad bot assets. Move squiggly QR. Boom. You guys know we need this. I don't really want to do this. You guys just know we need it, and no one will disagree. Nobody will disagree. I am sure of it. All right, so this is how we're going to finish the stream with it in this configuration. Captain 185, I am too honored, my friend. I am too honored. Thank you for your ever continuous support. All right, is that crazy or is that genius? The jury's out. $39. I almost feel like I like it on top of my head. Nice. I don't know where else I'd put it. I suppose I could put it back up here. Is it better at the top right of the screen, guys, or is it better on top of my head? Either way, we got it, which we needed. Top of head. Thank you, Dominic. I got to figure out how to not have my I feel like that's kind of too invasive. Like I don't know why. I feel like my real estate has just run out. And I'm not even doing anything. Is that even viewable? Is that even viewable? Can you even read? No, you probably can't even read that. Okay. I don't know what to do. I'm out of real estate and I have 3 windows on my freaking thing. Somehow I'm out of real estate. I don't know. I'm out of real estate. I'll have to deal with this later. I've run out of real estate. All right, we were gonna try to finish an app though. Okay. Server's cooking. Okay, so we were gonna look at the create this thing. Let's go. Let's look for the word create. God, it's probably everywhere. Okay. On press. Where does edit mode come from? Edit mode is create custom habit. Okay. Is this how you guys do it with no debugger? You just spam cancel console.logs. And you let Copilot actually fill out the data. Okay, here we go. Hello. Help. That's fitting for what we're trying to do. That is fitting. Friday. Create. Okay. Now do tell me why are we in this loop of hell? We're in a loop of hell for some reason. Here. So we did all of this. We got scheduled habit out. Scheduled habit controller.create. And so for some reason, obviously something's um causing this thing to re-render. Should we look at my activity monitor quick and see if it's still cooking? Oh yeah. 75%. It's so idle it's almost falling asleep. It's so idle it's almost falling asleep. Okay. Um prod, do that. People just can't appreciate greatness. Of what regard? What are we great with? And who's being unappreciative? Well, let's just pray that's not a problem in production. I don't think it is. Might as well try it. App Store. What am I doing here? James, I see you. All right, here we go. Let me create a habit and see if it breaks. Didn't break. Archive. I don't need that. All right, it didn't break. So that's good. So why is this thing getting stuck in a loop? In Tutorial Island. It's got to be something with the specific. It's got to be. I don't know what it is. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna keep testing this. Create. So if you set any detail, no, that one worked. This unfortunately is going slow too. It's like it's the same with the emulator, just delayed. I wonder if it's Expo Go. God forbid if it's my actual app. But I'm not convinced it is, to be honest. Song's called "Talk" by Against the Current. See that you like that manual redemption? Okay. Oh, so you're not even getting updates. The phone's frozen. That's good. We're not in we're not perfect with the Mac yet. We got to figure out a good way to get a reliable device. I'm not sure what that looks like yet. Let's hope this thing connects quick. In the meantime, it looked like unable to connect, my freaking favorite. How do I like disable, enable, or check for update? Update error. See, dude, and that's why you don't use like this software. Like, I don't know what to tell you. I don't need my things to be saying update error. Great. Should we try QuickTime again? It's not finding the iPhone I would expect it to. Disconnect. Yeah. I'm trying to get a so you're buying a Mac. I already bought it, and I just got whatever deal the Apple Store had. I didn't find any like deals or anything. I just walked in the Apple Store and bought it. Oh, that's not the command. Okay. How do I get this thing to see my iPhone? I figured, Tommy, if you're gonna do it, then do it. You know what I mean? And this is the most important part, Tommy. Look how idle my CPU is. And I'm running OBS, my server, my client, a screen share app. I got Spotify. I got like 10, 12 tabs open. I got Discord open. I've got everything under the sun open. QuickTime's open. And look at that CPU. Just absolutely chilling. Makes me so happy. Thank you, plastic. That's why I got it. I don't actually use the Apple Pen. I just put it in my ear to try to look studious. Guys, how do I get an iPhone running on this computer in a reliable manner? I guess I could try to update this iPhone. I don't want to use a simulator. I want to use a physical device. I want to use a physical device, unless that's a bad idea. I'm running an update on this thing. But I needed to be like in this little window over here. That seems pretty good. All right, so that phone's updating. I'll try this one. I don't love putting my primary iPhone on the screen. So let's see here. Do I have a better iPhone? Hold on. Let me go see if I got another iPhone. Hold on 1 second. All right, we got another one. Like with DJ Khaled. We got another one. Let's see if she'll turn on. She's dead. With iPhone mirroring, how do I install Sequoia Preview today? Can I install Sequoia? How do you spell Sequoia? SEQUOIA. How do I install it? I have the preview, I think. Sequoia Preview. Download. Oh well. Let's see if I can get I got this. I'm gonna try this iPhone SE. See if this thing can. I just need QuickTime. That's all. But we need a mobile device. I feel like the correct way is to use the Sequoia Beta, but I don't know how to get it. Maybe under settings? Beta updates are off. Do I want the developer beta or the public beta? It's looking. It's looking. Okay, so I can do it. Now, unfortunately, I would have to restart my stream, which I don't really want to do. But is that the correct solution? Is just to use this beta and share my screen that way? Is that going to be the best way to cast these devices? You wouldn't run the beta if I'm streaming. Why? Because it could suck. Yeah, you're probably right. Okay, I just need one of these. I got 3 iPhones sitting in front of me. I suppose for now I can do this. Let's just see if this is even a viable option. What's this QuickTime? Let's see if this thing even works. Okay, so it's movie recording. I don't get it. I don't see it working. Uh-oh. I'm so livid I just did that. I just screwed this freaking thing up again. Hold on, guys. Sorry, guys. First day with a Mac. I'm a freaking noob. You gotta forget. You gotta forgive me. No, I'm choking. You gotta forgive me. Remove. Now I gotta add this. Add me back in. I'm a noob, guys. What do you want from me? You know what I mean? I'm just merely a noob. Not that one. This one. Boom. Right click. Transform. 90. Properties. Right. Left, I guess. 800. Done. Man, I'm fast at that. There. Boom. Okay. Are any of these Macs alive? Hello. Are any of you working? Okay, this one's working. Okay. QuickTime. Do you have some days where you don't feel like doing any work? Oh, yeah. That's where habits come into play, my friend. Now it's not finding my phone, dude. Oh, is it because it needs to be plugged in? Does it have to be plugged in? Yeah, it does. I didn't know that. Okay, so that's looking at the camera. But I don't want it to look at the camera. Who knows how to use QuickTime? Oh, that was intentional. Does anybody know how to use QuickTime? Screen, iPhone 8. Come on, baby. Cook for me. Allow. Otherwise. All right. We're back like we never left, baby. Question is it working? Oh my goodness. I got to get my $11 refund. Guys, I got to get my $11 refund. That is the solution. Now let me try plugging this thing in. And it's wireless. Why won't it find this phone? I don't get it. I wanted to use updates. General. It's okay. So it's on the latest and greatest. I guess it's a feature that doesn't exist on the iPhone poop. Probably needs to be the iPhone Express. All right, let's cook it then. Guess we're using my phone. Expo. I'm going to go on DND. That way we don't get any noties. Okay. This is definitely the solution if I can get a device that I don't want to. I can't use my personal phone as my stream development device. That's just not going to end well. I'm going to get phone calls and such. So I've got to come up with a better solution. Should I buy a new phone? I'm just kidding. Okay. Real talk. We need to figure out why this bug's happening. And get this build out. Oh, you know what? Yeah, we're good. Let me not have my messages here. I could put that up there to see if my wife ever needs me. We are in a good spot. We are in a good spot, guys. Let's cook. Boom. Okay, restart. Why didn't the date? Oh, because I'm probably on the wrong account. I probably am on the wrong account. I don't know what account this is. So I gotta go like this. Main. First day with a Mac, guys. We'll get it right. Don't worry, we'll get it right. Yeah, see, this isn't the account I want. Sign out. Here we go. Let's see here. Brent plus checklist at embedder. Here we go. I mean, this is the worst device to test with because this is like the best Apple device they make. So that's not like really practical. Not everybody's going to have this. Thursday. What on earth could this problem be? It's like it's getting stuck in a re-render loop. And when I say it's like, I mean it like factually is. That's what's happening. Okay. Fake pockets. Let's cook. I'm wondering if it happens. Do I even need to click create or does it just happen if I check this? No. Okay, so checking that is fine. Checking those are fine. I also just want to get rid of this log. Okay. Fake pockets. Let's go. Tutorial. Here we go. Cooking the tutorial. Okay. So something about when I click create here, what is it going to do? I don't know. Edit mode. Okay. So what happens? Just out of curiosity, could it be one of these? Yo, let's go, Static Sprite. Thank you. Outstanding. Really appreciate the support, dude. Okay, I'm just like YOLOing this, guys. Code is so clean. Let's hope so. Here we go. Here we go. Let's cook, guys. Let's cook. Today's been an odd stream. You just, new devices, we're going to have our hiccups, but for what it's worth, we're cooking with the most performant MacBook they sell with the most performant iPhone they sell. So we're in a pretty good development state in terms of quality. Now, that's not practical to test on this device. Like I don't think we'll actually get to see what like the end user experience is, but okay. That worked. Now, the question is what part of these was breaking it? So I'm going to start walking backwards through the tutorial, and we should see eventually it should break. And that's how we'll know why it broke. And there you go. There's your edit loop right there. So to confirm, if I were to just get rid of all of these, start client. Loving the content. Outstanding, dude. We work hard for it, so that means the world. Okay, here we go. Oh, I forgot to do this. Here we go. Fake pockets. Yo. Okay. So the theory is this is going to work. Okay, perfect. So there's something coming into here. There's something coming into the on exit that is causing issues. That's causing issues. And it's in Tutorial Island. So we need to figure out what is going on here. It's got to be this. Let me just make sure even here. Okay, let's cook. Yep, that was it. So there's some. Oh, interesting. So there's something about advancing this where we're also so we're advancing the tutorial right here. We're saying, hey, tutorial, we hit a button, go check it out. I bet you we're also using that value somewhere. Maybe it's in the create save. That would make sense, I think. So let's see. Custom. Yep. Wait, no. No. Not where I expected it anyway. Bro, all right, what are you trying to say about our UI UX, dude? Okay. Tutorial. Create. Edit. So there's something about I can't really put a finger on what this is, but it feels like it's days of the week toggle. If I were to get rid of that, for instance, restart, let's see what this says. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. How did that just happen? Hold on. Try this again. So, for those of you wondering what is even going on, I'm wondering the same thing. Just kidding. What we're working on is we're trying to get the tutorial to be dialed in, but we're hitting a boot like a render loop. And I'm trying to find what's causing it. Trying to find what's causing it. Time of day. Rizarchi, that's because we beat to the own beat of our, or we march to the beat of our own drum. We can't be confined by industry standards. We define the standards here. You know what I mean? We define the standards. Okay, here we go. Let's cut. So I'm going to turn this one on. I have a theory, guys. I have a theory. Test. Create. Perfect. I know how to fix it. It's not my favorite activity, though. Damn. All right, so here's the deal. I think I need to break these out into larger chunks. So this is like create, edit title. That was a cool idea, but it's not really working. So I think I need to do something like this. Create, edit, habit, add advanced options. Advanced options, and let's hmm. Well, anyway, I at least know it's these two. How do I have three freaking title section? I literally have three titles. Create, edit, habit, advanced options. Classic. Create. Create flow. Cool. Create advanced. Then, oh yeah, details is another one we want to get rid of. Just get rid of that whole option. Get rid of that whole option. All right, so let's go to advanced options. We push the limits here, dude. We push the limits. Cool, perfect. Now let's go to tutorial. Create edit. So what I'm going to do is this. Put these three options. So there's details, time of day. This one shouldn't exist anymore. Days of week, toggle. Honestly, any of these. Create flow. Advanced. So what I'm doing is I had this really fine tuned, and I'm just gonna make it one blanket section, and I'm hoping that makes my life easier. Drunk noob, what's good? Welcome in. Okay. All right, let's see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen. Create. Well, is it actually almost? Is that clock right? What? My phone says it's 9. Is that a screenshot? Why does my phone say it's 9:40? What time is it? I have no idea what time it is. Yeah, it's 7:30. That's so weird. My iPhone's off by 2 hours. That's very odd. Anyway, tutorial. I was like, dude, 10 o'clock? I gotta get the hell out of here. Tutorial island, create edit. Again, we're gonna drop this here. This becomes advanced, so we're just grouping them. That's what I'm trying to do here. Hmm? Schedule habit, repeating schedule, time of day. Okay, perfect. No devices because it crashed. Watching sports. What's good, Mono? Just getting the Mac going. Having fun doing it. Hoping to fix a bug right here. Okay, so very close to. This is actually pretty good. I technically don't want them to. Technically don't want them to set the advanced options right now. So that actually could be the best of all options. $9.41 is an Apple thing. It's $9.41 on every single marketing material. It was the time on screen when the first Apple was. No way, dude. Dude, that's actually hilarious and awesome. Now I'm honored. Although it gave me a little bit of a heart attack. Okay. Mm. Create flow. So this step here is missing advanced option. Yeah. Yeah, so I need it here. Wait, no, which one is this? Yeah. Not advanced chevron. Okay, I see what happened here. Advanced options. So that should work. I probably have to reload it. Classic. I like it. I like that that's an Apple thing. I think that's fun. All right, let's see if this device can only certain devices uh 0000. Or what's the freaking code here? Can only certain devices use QuickTime? It's appearing to be the case. Because I don't see it popping up there. Bummer. I don't want to use my iPhone to like as my development device. Problem for another day though. Okay, here we are. Hello world. Okay, that was weird. Boom. Boom. Create. On exit. Are we stuck in the damn loop still? We're still stuck in the loop. That didn't help. Why are we getting stuck in this damn loop? Hmm. All right. What are we doing to get stuck in that loop? Let's see here. What up, Delta? How you doing? Target. All right, let's see here. It's a dark one. I'm gonna try to just not solve it and sidestep it, to be honest. It's just there's too much going on here with Redux and forward references. It is just a mess. So this thing's definitely advanced. Hmm. And there's something. I can't think of what it is. There's one thing I can think of. Report option pressed. Okay, so report pressed is what? And hold on. Report pressed from where? Hold on. It's an interesting way to do that. I never realized they did that. Const ref of type um of type tutorial ref. Yeah, this is interesting. Well, I'm just curious. I don't know what's going to happen here. Will this fix it? Will it? I don't know. Ref dot current dot report. This is interesting. Report option press. All right. Wish me luck. Then I got one more theory also. I don't like that I'm not loving things, but just give it time. We'll let it cook. We'll let it cook. We'll let it cook. Here we go. Let's cook. We're in the loop still. We're in the loop still. Okay, I have one more theory. I have one more theory. It's not a good theory, but it is a theory. Let's see here. Let's go. Hello. Boom, boom. Create. Yeah, damn. Delta, I don't even know if I can explain it. It is a very sophisticated ecosystem at this point. What's happening is I'm storing a value in Redux, and something's listening to that Redux value, and it's getting us stuck in a render loop. All right, let's see here. It's so crazy. Why is this thing? No, this is all I haven't committed in weeks, dude. I haven't committed in weeks. This is all custom dangerous code. Yeah, I know. I'm begging to finish. I need to finish. I'm so close to finish. I want to be done. So what is happening is I don't know. I actually have no idea. I'm hoping to fix it here in the next 5 minutes, Delta, or else I would. I really appreciate it. We just gotta. I gotta go. In maybe an hour. This build needs to be out. So we're gonna just try to band-aid this together. And how can we do that? Let's go look at this. On exit. On exit. On exit. Okay. So that calls report option press. And what does that do? I don't think on exit's doing anything. I think it's literally this is the problem. Right here. We're reporting the option. I'll prove it in a second. If this works, this will be groundbreaking, but I would not expect this to work. Yeah. Wouldn't okay. What the most interesting part is if I don't set these values here, it doesn't break. Okay, let's look at something. Create flow. Explain, create, action, create. It's a report option pressed is what we use to advance the tutorial to the next state. We have a list of states, and when that gets called, it advances it. Hmm. Create button. Create button. Something about these things. These do not use it though. Yeah. Okay. It's very interesting to be honest with you. It's very interesting. I think it has to do with I have an idea. Run create. Days of the week toggle. I bet you it's something in here. Let's just see for funsies. Well, I can't. I need one of those. That's crazy. Hmm. Why would this get in a re-render loop? Because this thing must be re-rendering because this is changing. Could use a memo as a hack of a lifetime. So what's happening is this thing's getting re-rendered. This thing's getting changed. It's picking up this change. And I'm not sure. I'm not sure where the issue is. Create edit. For fun. For fun. For the kick dubs, as we call it. What up, Yuri? All right. Let's see what happens here. I'm not actually saving it to the server, so we'll see what happens. Boom, boom. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Hello. Days of week toggle. Thursday. Create. Okay. Still stuck in the loop. I gotta restart the app anyway. All right. So that didn't do anything. Fine. I really thought we could band-aid it. I still think we can. I could think of the world's worst band-aid ever. Yeah, watch this. Let's try this band-aid. Oh god. Width is 100%. Why is every action on which page? I think I moved away from where you were looking. Can't believe our favorite song came back on. Okay, so we're gonna band-aid this like you wouldn't believe. Just to test. Just to test. A. Wait. A. Create. Flow. Yeah, because I don't have any good way of. We've looked into that before. I don't have any good way of storing text without um, setting state. But I don't think that's the problem. It has to do with the toggles, not the text. But yeah, within the current libraries I use, I don't have a way of doing it. Okay, Tutorial Island, create. Yes, this one. Okay, here we go. Oops. A. All right, so that's going to allow. Okay, that's going to allow this new element I just created. So if we go to tutorial, create, edit, I'm going to move the ref. That's fine. I don't see why it can't be there. No, I have no idea. I actually have no idea. This isn't going to help. Hmm. All right. Then this is the deal. We're just going to not let them set those fields during this. Hmm. Because I don't know what is going on. And I don't really have 2 months to build this page. So advanced options, create. Okay, this is going to be good. Perfect. Create flow. Up, up, up. Okay, I got a terrible solution. Trying to think of what's the best terrible solution. I got like 3 really bad ideas. One of these will work. I gotta figure out which one we want to do. So why don't we go back and look? Create habit flow. Tutorial. Create. Create edit. Get rid of this thing. All right. Hooray. Lazy git. Okay, start client. Gotta start gutting some stuff here. Tutorial Island. Yeah, let's just get rid of everything. Delete. 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 That's fine. That's good. Those are good. Cool. Quit. Tutorial Island option key. What file is this? They should exist. Restart. Okay. Damn, where are they? Oh, that's all right. Let's just start from the top, guys. Quit. Get me out of here. Nice playing with you. Start client. Source. Start client. Restart. Here we go. From the top. From the top. We shall be victorious. We shall be victorious. Boom, boom. We shall honor this new Mac by being victorious. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. What I would like to do is this. I have an interesting thought. Yeah, thought was failed, which is good, I guess. Right. Start over. Here we go from the top. So this is what I'm thinking. I am unable to use these two toggles. If I use either of these, if I set any of these datas, we get in a re-render loop. Otherwise, she works as exactly as you'd hope. So what I'm thinking is this. For the sake of the tutorial, don't let them check those boxes. And there's actually many reasons I don't want them to. There's more reasons than just it's not working. I don't want them to set these because they shouldn't be set in the tutorial. So what I'm going to do is this. Let's go to create flow. Explain create here. We are going to get rid of all three of these. I'm going to create a new one called details tutorial label. Come on. Great. Okay, cool. Then here, I'm going to make this label. Create edit habit details, specific time of day. Create edit habit details. That's looking pretty good. We don't want that. We don't want that. Great. So now we go to tutorial. Create tutorial, create edit. What I'm going to do is this. Create another one of these. Yoink. I'm going to put it above. I'm going to put it right here. And this is going to be a view. And we're going to delete, oops. Width is 100%, but it's going to be no height. That should be fine, I hope. Okay, oops. Let's run this. Oh, hold on, I'm missing one thing. Missing one thing. This needs to be label. The new field I just created. Boom. Okay, restart. Let's go. I am hopeful that, oops. Man, so many steps to this game, guys. This is such an update. It's going to be very, very, very useful if we can figure it out. No, dude, I just leave it right on the desk so I can keep ripping. Here we go. Ah! I thought it was going to work, guys. Well, there it is. Okay. Then what I have to do is this. Fine tune. Let's see how terrible this looks. Disabled for tutorial. Tutorial. I don't know if that's worth it. No, I don't think that's not smart. I have one more thought. What about for the tutorial if I got nothing, man. I literally have no idea. I think my best option is to do this. Disabled. Boolean. Props. Disabled. Switch. Disabled. 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 True. True. Identifier expected. What does that mean? What does that mean? Identifier expected. Yeah, you were mistaken. All right, so we're gonna try to disable these toggles for the sake of the tutorial. Perfect. You can't change them. And then I wonder if I could give it a little bit of like an on press. Um, ah, this is the best I got. This is actually the best I got. I don't got time for this. Interface disabled. Props. I don't want them changing these anyway. That's the key. Because they can actually put the tutorial in a bad state if they do set the day of the week. So it's like, yes, I have a bug, but I also don't want them touching these anyway. So by disabling them, I get two birds stoned at once. Okay. Details, be my freaking guest. I would like, if they touch those, I'm just curious, like, could I do a little tooltip? This is like disabled for sake of tutorial. Banger alert, by the way. Details. Yeah, I'll keep it consistent. I'll disable them all. Props disabled. Cool. This will be fun. No, I'm not doing it. We're just gonna leave it like that. It's that easy. If they got questions, I don't know what to tell them. Disabled. True. Here in the tutorial. Restart. Here we go. Here we go. Well, I gotta clear my data. Here we go. Boom, boom. Fake buckets. Let's go. Oh, damn it. Restart. Here we go. Let's go. Let's cook. This is gonna solve all the problems. We're done with the. We're done after this. I wonder. Fine tune. Let's just see what this looks like. Disabled for tutorials. Disabled for tutorial. I don't know how bootleg that is. That's my thing. It's like, is that really bootleg? Is that medium bootleg? Let's see. Disabled for tutorial. What do you guys think? Is that the worst? Like, is that a terrible, terrible thing to say? Disabled for tutorial? Or just let it be? I can even do one of these. Restart. Boom, boom, boom. That's a good question. Well, because I want to. That it's like a dude. It's like this isn't going well. Estranged. The point is, I want them to know that they can fine tune them. But the problem is, here's why this is a problem. I'll show you. Ready? Watch this. Go. Imagine if I set the day of the week to only run on Monday. This wouldn't be sitting here because it's not Monday. No, it's not premium only. I just don't want them to. If they put it on Monday, this won't be here. This will not be here. So I technically need them not to set it. It just feels so ridiculously bootleg. But I don't think we should let good get in the way of great here. So I'm just trying to figure out what's the best way to do this. This sucks. Not good. It's not good. Yeah, King, that's actually what I'm thinking. Like maybe if they open it, I always force them to have the current day of the week selected so they can't disable it for the tutorial. The problem is I have a bug that I got a bug that's causing problems also. So it's a we got to fix the bug. That's the reality. That's the reality. We got to fix the bug. If we don't fix the bug, we're doomed. That's the reality of it. All right, guys. Well, here's the deal. We know what to do. We're right there. We're right there. I have to get going. I want to keep cooking here. It is birthday party day for my boy, and I want to go help prep. So as much as I would like to keep cooking, I think we're going to call it. We're going to go raid the captain and maybe come back to this with a clear brain. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Thank you, Goose. I will share the kind words to my boy. I will share the kind words to my boy. So let's let's go say what up to Captain, and we're one code change away from this release being done. So maybe on my lunch break I'll work on it. Definitely tomorrow. We're right there. So guys, we got our environment set up, new Mac. It's working. We got screen sharing. Everything's looking good. So it's time to go cook. I'm out. Catch you guys tomorrow. Have an amazing Saturday. See ya. And Lake Key, I don't know. Hopefully. See ya.